If you've got an iPhone 12 or later, then you've probably had the joy of using MagSafe for wireless charging. Although it's convenient, it's not as fast as wired charging, though the magnets are making some waves in the iPhone accessory space. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing that bell icon to get notifications. We got our hands on a bunch of MagSafe compatible products and tested them to find out the ones that were best for travel. We narrowed it down to 10 products to check out, including chargers, wallets, car mounts, phone cases, and other accessories. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're gonna get into some MagSafe. We're kicking off our list with a couple options for MagSafe compatible charging. You're probably familiar with the classic Apple MagSafe charger already, but there are a couple of other options out there. Lots of other brands are stepping up their game on the MagSafe front as the technology becomes more widely available. For truly wireless charging on the go, check out the Anker Powercore Magnetic 5K wireless charger. Operation is simple. Attach it to the back of your phone, press the power button, and you're charging cable free. To note, if you forget to push that button, then your phone will not be charging. Trust us, it's a mistake you don't want to make. The cordless system looks amazing on the coffee shop table, but it does add some bulk and weight. The unit can be nudged out of place while taking it out of your pocket or a bag too, so look out for that. It's not entirely wireless either, as it still requires the included cable to charge it. Next to the power button, we've got an input and output USB-C port. Output functionality means that you can charge non-MagSafe devices too, just not at the same time. 5 LED indicators show the charger's status and the current charge level. We like that this is tucked into the side as not to interrupt the clean matte black design of the bank. The total capacity for the Powercore provides nearly an entire charge for the iPhone 12. It's also offered in a 10K size that's double the juice, but it's bulkier and good for extended exploration. The KKM wireless magnetic charger is a great budget alternative to the traditional MagSafe charger from Apple. We found the charging time to be similar for both, and the KKM is cheaper. The magnet is just as strong as the Apple version too. What makes this charger nice for travel is the built-in kickstand. Just remove the small metal plate from the back and stick it in place. This way you can still watch YouTube without a wire sticking out of your phone, even when your phone is about to die. Though we enjoyed using the KKM overall, it does come with a couple of noticeable flaws. First, it can get scratched up easily with prolonged use, though these scratches are just cosmetic and just affect the look of it. It's also thicker than the Apple version, so will take up more space inside of your tech pouch. The KKM charger works with some non-MagSafe phones as well. We love a good travel wallet that fits right into your pocket. These MagSafe compatible wallets are slim, lightweight, and attach right to your phone. Traveling minimally means opting for multifunctional items whenever possible. Just like the name suggests, the MOFT MagSafe stand and wallet can be used as a stand and a wallet. But it's not just one stand, it's 3 in 1. In landscape mode, portrait mode, or floating mode. Just pull down the tab at the back to set it up. Secondly, it's a wallet that holds about 3 cards comfortably. Getting your cards out of the MOFT when it's attached to your phone, though, is not the smoothest experience, so you may want to detach it first. If you opt for the magnetic stick pads, you can mount your phone to almost any surface. Just undo the paper back and stick it on any wall. Fair warning, the adhesive is very strong and takes a bit of elbow grease to get off, so we don't recommend using it at your hotel or Airbnb, permanent places only. We discovered the MOFT MagSafe stand and wallet in a Pack Hacker Pro discussion around new products people were using. Community member Anand S said they love using it as a stand on the go. Another pro member, Karu E, uses the magnetic stick pads to watch Pack Hacker videos every morning. Now that's some dedication. We are proud to be a part of your daily routine, Karu. Joining Pro gives you access to a welcoming, like-minded community. You'll also get exclusive access to giveaways, members-only content, and our deals vault with discount codes for a variety of brands. So check out Pack Hacker Pro with the link down in the description below. Who knows, you may even be featured in our next YouTube video. Add a splash of color to your travels with the PopSocket PopWallet Plus for MagSafe. We love using PopSockets as a kickstand to binge watch videos at the airport on the phone or just as a grip in general. And we found their wallet feature much easier to use than the MOFT. Just push the piece of knit elastic on the bottom and your cards pop right up. And make sure you take the wallet off of your phone before using a MagSafe charger to avoid damaging the strip on your credit or debit card. With the variety of fun patterns and colors that PopSockets come in, you're bound to find a style that fits your personal aesthetic. Our staff writer Randaya has been digging the floral bohemian, and our editor Lauren likes the lavender version. If you'd rather just use a PopSocket without the wallet, they also offer a MagSafe version for that as well. Hopefully we don't have to explain why you shouldn't look down at your phone for directions while you're driving. These MagSafe compatible mounts are perfect for rental cars since installing and removing them is a breeze. The ESR HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger mount clips onto your vent in whatever position that you need it to. You'll have to screw it into place, but it doesn't take long. Unlike other MagSafe compatible car vent mounts out there, the HaloLock doesn't require an Apple charger to use. Despite its name, it's technically not wireless. You'll still need to attach a cable and plug it into either your car USB port or a separate charger. While the magnet itself is relatively strong, we found that your phone can fall off with enough force. So just watch out when you're driving down those bumpy roads. The size itself is a little bit clunky as well, which can cause your phone to slump downwards while it's in use. This means it works better on horizontal vents than vertical ones, especially if you've got a bigger phone like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you want a smaller car mount, check out the next item on our list. The Moment car vent mount is compact and easy to install, making it a great pick for travel. Just press it into your car's air vent and the rubber grips help it stay in place. No screwing required. Its smaller size allows it to fit comfortably both in horizontal and vertical vents. The magnet on this is super strong. It gives us confidence that the phone won't fall off while driving, even on bumpier roads. The only downside to this is that it won't actually charge your phone while it's being used. So if you want to stay juiced up on the road, you'll have to plug in your phone separately. Or you can use this mount with Apple's standard MagSafe mount, but it is a little bit weird. Just attach the charger to your phone first and then put the Moment mount on the top. It is way less stable to have the MagSafe charger between the mount and the phone, but if you really want to go MagSafe, this option could work. We've covered all the essentials, but accessories are what make life interesting. In this section, we'll talk about other MagSafe compatible grips and mounts. Moment's MagSafe products don't stop at car mounts. They have a whole ecosystem of MagSafe accessories, including a cold shoe mount, tripod mount, and wall mount. The Moment cold shoe mount was made for creators on the go. It makes it easy to attach a microphone or light to your phone, so lighting and sound will always be on point. Then there's the Moment tripod mount, which works with any 1/4-inch attachment for tripods. Pair it with the Joby Grip Sight 1 and you've got a simple travel-sized camera setup at the ready. It's also been designed so that you can shoot both landscape and portrait. Last but not least, we have the Moment wall mount, which sticks to just about any surface for your hands-free viewing pleasure. Moment engineered a magnet called M-Force, which is pretty much stronger than any MagSafe magnet that we've tested on this list. The Ohsnap Grip is another accessory that can be used in multiple ways. First off, it's a grip that you can rotate 360 degrees for filming and photos. Next, it's a kickstand that can be used in portrait or landscape mode. Lastly, it's a mount that can be attached to any metal surface. The thing that we like most about the Ohsnap Grip for travel is that it is thin and sleek. It's basically like a minimalist pop socket on steroids. Ohsnap says their grip is compatible with a MagSafe charger, but all the stars need to align perfectly for it to work, which is pretty darn difficult. You're better off using the brand's own magnetic charger called the Snap Charge. Similar to Moment, Ohsnap makes a whole ecosystem of magnetic accessories that work together. This also includes a car mount and a charging stand, so make sure to check out that ecosystem if you're interested in Ohsnap. So now you've got the lowdown on chargers, wallets, and accessories. Let's check out some MagSafe compatible phone cases that will still allow these to operate with a case on your phone. The Moment MagSafe compatible thin case is both lightweight and sustainable. It's made from a plant-based TPU that is environmentally friendly and can actually be composted when you're done using the case. A few components of the case are not compostable though, so make sure you read the instructions carefully before you dispose of it. This case was designed for seamless integration with Moment lenses, which is what the brand is most known for. It comes with a lens mount that pops easily in place so you can attach a Moment lens. If you're not an amateur photographer and don't have any of these lenses, that's totally okay, as it doesn't make or break this case. When it comes to durability, the Moment thin case is supposed to be safe for drops up to 6 feet. We didn't drop the phone from that high, but Randaya is admittedly clumsy and dropped her phone multiple times while she was testing this case. The texture on the back of the phone case helps with grip too. When it comes to traveling for months at a time, your phone can be your lifeline. There's almost nothing worse than having it break while you're on a trip. While the Moment Thin case will help keep you protected, it is really hard to beat an Otterbox case. So if you've been known to have butterfingers, the Otterbox Defender with MagSafe is for you. It's a thin case at its core with a thick rubber slipcover for extra protection to your phone. Plus, the port protector keeps dust, liquid, and debris from getting into your charging port. Though you may not end up using that port much anyway, since this case is compatible with MagSafe charging. The edges are raised slightly too to prevent the phone case from slamming against the ground, though if we're really going for protection with this Otterbox, we would probably use a screen protector as well. There's no sugarcoating it, this Otterbox Defender series case is clunky. We don't think it's super great for everyday use as it adds a ton of bulk, but if you're traveling and want the extra peace of mind and are clumsy, this is definitely worth the investment. Otterbox cases also come with a lifetime warranty, which is a good indicator that this is going to last. So there you have it, 10 of the best MagSafe accessories for travel. If you have a favorite MagSafe accessory that we didn't mention in this video, we would love to hear what yours is down in the comments below. Because remember, some of the best recommendations come from you, the Pack Hacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.